All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how I mounted this bike basket onto my electric bike. It's really simple. And if you do like this bike basket, I will put a link to this down in my description. So thanks for watching. Here we go. All right, this is everything that comes with your bike basket. You're going to get like this bungee net thing to hold stuff in it. You will get this it's like a box, I guess you could put in there. You know, got stuff on the side so it can kind of get wet and stuff. You don't have to keep any of that in there if you don't want. You could just leave it just a bare frame. I'm going to take that out so I can put this on my bike. You get a couple brackets here. You get 4 zip ties, a wrench, a screwdriver, and all the bolts and nuts to mount it onto your bike. So there's multiple different ways you can mount this on your bike. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to mount it here on my bike. So let me take this cover off. I bought this basket because it holds 2 soccer balls. And my kids like to play soccer. So they'll be able to put their soccer balls in there, maybe a couple more balls in a backpack, and they can head to the soccer fields. It's just little Velcro straps that hold it in place. Now you can just pretty much keep it just like this if you want. Now I can put this on here like this, or I can put it on like this. If I put it on like this, it looks like 2 of these holes match right up. Put it on like this. Oh, 2 holes match up there. Put a little mark there with this. All right, I'm going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit in case you would want to do this. All right, should be good to go now. I can put this. Now, all you need is either use the wrench and screwdriver it came with, or get your own screwdriver and a 10mm. There we go. That fits good. I like it. Start this up. There. There you go. Put this basket back in. If you don't have a mud flap, this almost acts as a mud flap too. There we go. Sweet. That looks nice. I like it. All right, well, there you have it. That's how I mounted this basket onto my bike. And like I said, you can use those. If you don't want to drill holes into your mounting rack that you already have on your bike, you could just use these 2 little metal straps that would go up under there. And then you put the little bolts and nuts that came with it, and you won't have to drill holes. So, all right, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great summer.